Have you ever wished you could swap your face with anyone's photo, a celebrity, your favorite influencer, or even your friends, and make it look completely real? Well, get ready, because Higgsfield Face Swap is here to make that happen in just one click. This brand new AI tool from Higgsfield is changing the game for creators. It lets you upload your own photo and a target photo, and within seconds, it swaps the faces with insane accuracy, keeping every little detail like lighting, texture, and skin tone perfectly matched. The results look so natural, it's hard to believe it's AI. And the best part? It's completely free to try. No complicated settings, no editing skills needed. Just upload, click, and watch the magic happen. But Higgsfield Face Swap doesn't stop there. You can also upscale your images up to 8 times for sharper, studio-quality results. Animate your photos to bring them to life, and even make your characters talk using its AI lip sync feature. Imagine turning a still image into a speaking, moving digital avatar in just a few seconds, all powered by AI. It's the perfect tool for content creators, brand builders, meme creators, marketers, and video editors who want to take their visuals to the next level without spending hours on complex software. And of course, the link is available in the description below, so you can try it out right now while watching this tutorial. Let's jump in. As soon as you open it, you'll see 2 main upload boxes, one for your photo and the other for the target photo. The process is really simple. Just upload both photos, hit the face swap button, and within seconds, you'll get a perfectly generated image that swaps faces while keeping everything else natural and untouched. What's amazing is that Higgsfield Face Swap preserves the lighting, shadows, and even the fine details of the target photo. The result looks completely real. Not fake or cartoonish like most other AI tools. It's lightning fast, offers high-resolution output, and even supports cross-tile swapping, which means it handles complex image patterns effortlessly. The Upscale option allows you to enhance your image quality up to 8 times resolution. So, if your image looks a bit soft or you want to use it for professional projects, this feature is perfect. Here, you can choose your upscale model, such as Topaz, and adjust the face factor between 1x, 2x, 4x, or 8x. In the advanced settings, you can also pick a preset, increase or decrease sharpness, and control denoise levels. There's even a toggle for face enhancement, which automatically improves facial clarity and detail. Once you've set everything, just click Upscale and your image will be upgraded to Ultra HD quality. Animate next, we have the Animate feature. And this one is super fun. You can bring your still photo to life with just one click. Now let's move on to the Edit feature. This is where you can customize your photo creatively using AI. Here, you can draw a mask over any part of the image and give a text prompt describing what you want to change. For example, I'll draw a mask over the hair and type, "Change hairstyle." Then click Generate. And in just a few seconds, Higgsfield gives me 4 different hairstyle results. You can preview all of them and choose the one you like best. It's such a powerful and flexible tool for creative editing. Once you're done, you can instantly download your edited photo in high resolution. Here's another exciting feature, Speak. With this, you can make your photo talk. Just click Speak, type what you want your character to say, and hit Generate. The AI will create a lip-synced talking animation where your character speaks your text naturally. It's perfect for creating social media content, explainer videos, or even fun memes. And once again, you can download it in just one click. Now, let's try another full example to show how consistent the results are. I'll upload a new photo and a different target photo. And click Face Swap. Within a few seconds, boom, the faces are swapped flawlessly. Every single detail, lighting, color balance, and angles is preserved perfectly. If you want, you can take this swapped image, upscale it, animate it, or edit it again. I'll select an image, write a simple prompt like smiling naturally, choose a model, and click generate. After a few seconds, the animation is ready. And wow, the girl is smiling realistically with smooth facial movements. It looks so natural that you wouldn't even guess it's AI generated. You can download it directly and use it for videos, reels, or even profile animations. Let's try another example again. This time, I'll upload a photo of a person and the target photo of. Click face swap, and there we go. Instant transformation. The person's face is now swapped seamlessly onto the target image. And just like before, I can go to edit, draw a mask, give a prompt for any action or look I want, and regenerate. Every time the results are quick, clean, and incredibly realistic. Now, if we talk about pricing, Higgsfield is surprisingly affordable considering how advanced it is. The basic plan starts at $9 per month. Great for beginners or casual users. The Pro plan costs $29 per month billed monthly, offering more generation credits and higher limits. The Ultimate plan is $49 per month, which gives you 1,200 credits per month, supports concurrent generation, and includes access to multiple advanced models. And for professional creators or studios, the Creator plan is $249 per month, offering 6,000 credits monthly and top-tier performance. If you choose annual billing, you get a big discount, as low as $17.40 per month, which is an incredible deal for what you're getting. Overall, Higgsfield Face Swap is one of the most powerful and user-friendly AI tools available right now. Whether you're a content creator, digital artist, brand builder, or just someone who loves experimenting with AI visuals, this platform gives you professional-level results in just a few clicks. Everything from face swapping and image enhancement to animation and talking avatars is handled automatically by AI, no editing skills required. So, go ahead and try it out. The link is right there in the description below. Create your free account, upload your photos, and start experimenting today. You'll be amazed by how fast and realistic the results are. Don't forget to check the link below for access and pricing details. Trust me, once you try Higgsfield Face Swap, you'll never want to use anything else.